Hello and welcome back to this channel. I know that you've come to our channel again and again to seek methods on how to make money online. Here on this channel, we are constantly on the lookout for new and innovative methods on how to make money online. We put in a lot of effort and do extensive research to ensure that not only we will be able to make money, but we will also be able to do it in the most convenient ways possible. I am well aware that there are a wide variety of different opportunities to earn. However, this method that I'll be demonstrating to you today is quite simple. It is so simple that you've probably been doing it for a long time without even realizing it. And what I mean by this is by watching videos online. I know it sounds unbelievable, but it is truly possible to earn money simply by watching videos. And it all begins right here. The first step that you must take is watch the video and stick with me until the end so that I can teach you exactly how to do that, to the point that it will be a piece of cake by the time that you are able to do it on your own. Aside from the fact that I'll be walking you through the entire process, if you continue to watch this video, I'll be showing you some bonus tips and other methods for doubling or even tripling your current source of income. Let me just tell you that this method today does not require a specific set of skills or experiences. All you need is your laptop or phone, and you are good to go. This is also available to be done by everyone around the world. There are no restrictions on which specific countries can do this. And most of all, this method is completely free. You do not need any initial payments or monthly subscriptions to start off. Imagine earning money for free. However, you still have to devote some of your time and effort to do this method and earn money. Yes, it is free, but effort is required. Oh, let me just tell you that you won't be a millionaire overnight just by doing this method. It will not replace your day job, and you need to put in continuous effort in order for this method to work. This method can help you earn extra from what you are earning right now. It will not make you a millionaire, but it can help you with your day to day expenses. Now that's all out of the way, all you have to do now is sit back, relax, and grab a beverage and pay close attention to this video. Because if you miss even one part of this video, then you will not be able to successfully make money when it is your time to do it. So watch carefully. Before we begin, make sure to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell down below to never miss new videos and opportunities to make money online. So this website that we will be using today is called Zoombox. You can just type zoombox.com on your browser's address bar and hit enter. And it should lead you to this website, which should look like this. There are many other methods to earn money on this website, like taking surveys, viewing videos, and participating in offers. The fact that they will not only pay you, but also provide you with gift cards from several huge companies indicates that this is a legit and trusted website. These big companies include PlayStation, Amazon, iTunes, Google Play, Netflix, and Walmart. As previously said, there are several methods to profit from this website. However, for the sake of this video, we will simply concentrate on watching videos because this is something that you are already doing on a daily basis and because it will pay you the most money with the least amount of effort. But before we do that, let me show you the process on how you can use this website to start earning money. First and foremost, you must register and complete your profile. This simply indicates that you will need to register for a new account. Second, they offer a large amount of channels with a variety of diverse videos from which you may choose one that you want to watch. You can then begin watching the videos in the third step. However, keep in mind that in order to receive money, you must watch the entire video. Fourth, you will begin earning and accumulating points as you watch more and more videos. Fifth, you can also choose to flip between channels, which ensures that you will always be able to discover videos to watch. Finally, you may pay out your points for cash or gift cards depending on your preference. Now, I will be explaining to you these steps one by one in detail so that you can have a better idea on what to do on this website. So just keep watching and pay attention. Before we continue, if you are enjoying this video, make sure to like and share your thoughts and any questions about the video in the comment section down below. So let's start with the first step, creating an account. All you have to do is fill up this form with your email and password and click the big sign up button right here. And if you want the sign up process to be faster, you can sign up with either your Facebook or Google account. As soon as you've logged into your account, you'll be able to see how much money you can possibly make. And you'll also be able to see how much money other users have already earned, which can range from $200 to even $500. It is possible for you to earn these quantities as long as you continue watching the videos. And if you run out of videos to watch, you need not to be concerned because the available videos are refreshed on a daily basis. To get started, go to your dashboard and click on Watch, which is located just beneath the website's name in large text. You now have access to a couple of videos that you may watch at your convenience. Simply click either one of them and it will take you to a website where you can browse through a range of categories and videos covering a variety of themes such as food, DIY, and random videos. You can check how many points you can gain for each category by looking at the points right over here. Once you have selected a category, you will be sent to a registration page for that specific website. All you have to do now is fill out the essential information so that you can create an account. This is really crucial because if you do not sign up and register on that specific website, you will be unable to make any money. Okay, here's a bonus tip. You can actually view a handful of different videos at the same time, just by opening other videos on different tabs on your browser. Of course, you want to keep the volume as low as possible so that you don't develop a headache when everything is just playing all at the same time. If you have a bad internet connection, you may simply adjust the quality of the video to accommodate your situation. To do so, all you have to do is click on the gear icon located in the lower right-hand corner of the video and choose the lowest quality setting. You shouldn't be concerned because this will have no effect on the audio quality of the video. It will just decrease the overall quality of the video. You may view as many videos as you like without affecting the speed of your computer, since not only this will save you data, but will also help the videos play quicker. And that's really all there is to it. Final step is to simply acquire points so that after you have accumulated a certain number, you will be able to convert them into cash or gift cards. Previously, I indicated that if you have more time and still believe you can do more, you can actually complete surveys for which you can make anywhere from 85 cents to as much as $5 or $10. It goes without saying that you want to earn as many points and money as possible, so look for surveys with the greatest payouts. Now that I have shown you a step-by-step process on how this method works, it is now your turn to do it. Now go out there and earn some money. And that is how we can make money today. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on the notifications to stay updated about the latest ways to earn money online. Leave a comment for any questions and see you in the next video.